Here's how to create a group email in Gmail in 2026, so you can send emails to multiple people at once. Before we start, please like the video and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. Next, open a new tab and go to contacts.google.com. This is where Gmail email groups are created. Once you're in Google Contacts, select the people you want to include in your group. You can do this by clicking the checkbox next to each contact. If someone isn't saved yet, you'll need to add them as a contact first. After selecting your contacts, click the label icon at the top. Choose Create Label, give your group a name, and click Save. This label will act as your group email. Now go back to Gmail and click Compose. In the To field, type the name of the label you just created. Gmail will automatically add everyone in that group. And that's it. You've successfully created a group email in Gmail. Like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials in 2026.